First of all, I want to pay thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden chance to say something on the podium. And right now, I'm going to tell about myself. Hi everyone, my name is Kalpana Madeshiya. Basically, I'm from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed my graduation from Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gorakhpur University in 2020. Right now, I'm going to tell about my city. This name is Gorakhpur. Gorakhpur is a city in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, and along with the bank of the river in the Purvanchal, and it is situated 272 kilometers east of the state capital Lucknow. Our CM Yogi Adityanath ji also belongs to Gorakhpur. There are many hospitals in Gorakhpur, just like AIMS hospitals, city hospitals, Gorakhnath Hospital, Anand Lok Hospital. According to my point of view, I like Anand Lok Hospital because their doctor was very well treated with our patients, and there are many parks here, just like V Park, Champa Devi Park, University Park, and Ambedkar Park. I like University Park because there are many places where you can sit and study with your friends, and you can mooch around there. There are many temples here, just like Gorakhnath Temple, Hanuman Temple, Kali Temple, and any more temples. I like most Hanuman Temple because I also go there every Tuesday and Saturday evenings. And there are many colleges here, just like did you Deen Dayal Upadhyay University, Triple M, Madan Mohan Malviya University, Digvijay Nath, St. Andrews, St. Joseph College. I like university. I like DDU University because there are many courses available there, just like BA, bachelor degree, BSc, BCom, and LLB, PhD. You can take admission and you can go there.
My city is Gorakhpur. It is a very beautiful city. It is situated in eastern part of UP. It is very famous in Uttar Pradesh. Not only Uttar Pradesh, it is very famous in all the corner of India. Now I'm going to tell about their hospitals, just like government hospital and private hospitals. Government hospital, just like AIMS hospitals, BRD Medical College, other hospitals, and private hospital, just like Rachit Hospital, Pulse Hospital, Savitri Hospital, and etc. First, I would like to talk about private hospital. It is very costly, so many people come on Rachit Hospital. Just it is very good. It is facility is very good, but it is too costly. So many people come in government hospital. According to my point of view, AIMS hospital is very good hospital because it have a numbers of doctor. Uh, so many people to come AIMS hospitals to various places. Now I am going to tell about Gorakhpur parks. It is Gorakhpur has many parks, just like Pant Park, V Park, Indira Bal Vihar Park, and many parks. But according to my point of view, Pant Park is it is a very good because it is a very peaceful park. And Gorakhpur have many bus stand, just like Kacheri bus stand, railway bus stand. According to my point of view, Kacheri bus stand is very good because all type buses is available to Kacheri bus stand. Gorakhpur has a biggest railway station to one of the Asia's biggest railway station. Its name is Gorakhpur Junction, and Gorakhpur have many restaurants, just like Courtyard, Bobina, and etc. But Gorakhpur have Courtyard. It is a five-star restaurant. It is a very good. It is a very hygienic. And according to my point of view, you go there and enjoy this food and hygiene. Gorakhpur has many temples just like Mansarovar, Gita Vatika, Guru Gorakshnath temple, and many more. But Gorakhnath is renowned as it's a Gorakhnath temple.
Just because our Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath is also belongs to Gorakhpur, as well as Gorakhpur MP Ravi Kishan is a very famous actor in Bhojpuri, Bollywood and Tollywood also. There are so many facilities available in Gorakhpur like malls, hospitals, colleges, temples, etc. First we talk about temples in Gorakhpur. There are so many temples in Gorakhpur. First, Gorakhpur, just like Tika Temple, Hanuman Temple, Gorakhnath Temple. But according to me, Gorakhnath Temple is the best temple in Gorakhpur. Gorakhnath name derives from medieval sons. The temple, the temple, the temple performs various cultural and social activities. Also serves as a cultural hub of the city. Next, we talk about hospitals in Gorakhpur. There are so many private and government hospitals, but such as AIMS Hospital, City Hospital, and Sadar Hospital, BRD Medical Hospital, and private hospital is Fatima Hospital, Savitri Hospital, and Rachit Hospital. First, we talk about government hospital. According to me, AIMS Hospital is the best government hospital in Gorakhpur because the doctors are well educated and so humble, and there are so many departments like ENT, orthopedics, dentistry, and psychiatry, etc. Next, we talk about parks in Gorakhpur. There are so many parks in Gorakhpur, just like Pant Park, Ambedkar Park, Champa Devi Park. But according to me, Ambedkar Park is the best park in Gorakhpur because the environment is so peaceful. Park is very neat and clean. Next, we talk about malls in Gorakhpur. There are so many malls in Gorakhpur, such as AD Mall, Orion Mall, etc. But according to me, Orion Mall is the best mall in Gorakhpur because they provide various brands and food court, etc.
Uttar Pradesh is the first largest state of India in terms of population and the fourth largest state of India in terms of area. There are total 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh, and among them, Gorakhpur is a district of Uttar Pradesh. Gorakhpur is very rich with its culture and its civilization. The Gorakhpur city is spread about the area 3,483.8 square kilometer, and the population of Gorakhpur city is about 80,200. And Gorakhpur city is located at the bank of Rapti river. There are so many temples in Gorakhpur, but Gorakhnath temple is very popular in Gorakhpur city because the city Gorakhpur is named after Guru Gorakshnath Baba because Guru Gorakshnath Baba took here Samadhi. Also, there are many churches, many mosques, many temples in Gorakhpur such as Madina Masjid, St. Andrew's Church, St. Joseph Church, and Kali Mandir, Hanuman Mandir, Gorakhnath Temple, many more. And among them, Guru Gorakshnath Temple is very famous.
There are many facilities available in Gorakhpur, just like road, light, hospitals, college, any more. According to my point of view, there are many religions live in Gorakhpur, just like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, any more. There are many colleges available in Gorakhpur, just like SBM College, PG College, MP College, DAB College, etc. According to my point of view, SBM College, because I study in SBM College, very well teachers. There are many hospitals available in Gorakhpur, just like Savitri Hospital, Fatima Hospital, City Hospital. I like Savitri Hospital. You doctors very well. There are 3 government hospital in Gorakhpur, just like BRD Medical Hospital, AIMS Hospital, according to my point of view, AIMS Hospital is very famous hospital in Gorakhpur because doctor highest position practice in AIMS Hospital. There are many parks available in Gorakhpur, just like V Park, Ambedkar Park, Champa Devi Park.
So many restaurants just like Rangreja, Park Street, and etc.
My favorite restaurant is Park Street because this restaurant is so pure vegetarian. So I recommend it. So you can very tasty and delicious food. You can go and there take some food. There are so many malls, just like AD Mall, City Malls, B Mall, and Orion Malls. Their facility is so good, so you can go and there buy product to our budget, and there are so many activities, uh, just like playrooms. There are so many showrooms, so you can go and buy their product.